So hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix front camera not working issue on iPhones. So guys, if the front camera, also known as the selfie camera, is not working on your iPhone, there could be several reasons for the issue. So guys, here are some steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. First of all, you have to check for physical obstruction. Ensure that there is nothing physically blocking the front camera or the proximity sensor. Remove any dirt, dust or debris by gently cleaning the camera lens and the surrounding area with a soft lint-free cloth. After doing this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve minor issues like front camera not working. So you have to go to your settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update can include bug fixes for camera related issue. You have to go to your general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After updating to the latest version of iOS and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for camera app permission. So guys, make sure that your camera app has permission to access the camera. To do this, simply have to go to your settings, go to privacy and security. Now you can go to camera and for here you have to make sure that all apps are enabled for your camera. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is test the camera in a different app. One open other camera apps or video conferencing app, example FaceTime, Zoom, Snapchat, etc. to see if the issue is specific to one app or if the front camera doesn't work in any app. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is check for hardware damage. Inspect your iPhone for any physical damage to the front camera or surrounding components. If there is a visible damage, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for a repair or replacement. If you check hardware damage and if there is no hardware damage on front of your camera, then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. Setting all settings on your iPhone can sometimes resolve software related issues without erasing your data. To do this, simply you have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on general, again scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.